Okay, so I have gone into Woodworker's treasure chest and I have selected a three-dimensional woodworking plan. In this case, a garden bench, and here you see it displayed. Now this is completely inside, built into the software, so there's nothing else to do at this stage but simply interact with the drawing so that you can determine what views you want to see, etc. There's a small menu on the side, and I'll simply select the three-dimensional tool, and this simply allows you, it's simply interacting with your mouse to be able to move around the drawing, and again with your mouse wheel you can go in and zoom in as tight as you want to see all the details that you want to see. So it's extremely simple, and it allows you to have a very intimate view of the drawing from any angle that you like. Let me just do a little more so you can look around and the underside, and you can get a pretty good view of the construction and how the elements come together. This is just one example right inside Woodworker's treasure chest. This is a model of a shop-built mortising jig, and again the 3D model allows you to see all the construction details, and you can interact with it so you can get a proper idea of how it comes together. And once again, it's totally inside the software with nothing else to do on your part but simply point and click and interact with the model. Okay, so here's another fun little plan displayed in the 3D interactive mode as well, and again the same idea that you can move around and examine the model in detail so that you can adapt it for your needs, and you can determine the construction methods that are used. Again, totally built in and totally inside the software, nothing to install, and very little learning curve or none at all. So finally, here is an interactive 3D plan of a garage workshop, and again it's very straightforward to interact with the drawing simply with your mouse. You can pan and tilt and zoom to get as much detail as you like, and move the drawing around for your needs. So again, these are some of the built-in features for the 3D interactive plans built right inside of Woodworker's treasure chest.